Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed as the twilight's last gleaming and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land